Hey guys, Character Driver here, back with another video. Glad you're here, glad you came for another point of view video, and I hope that you subscribe and stick around because we are having adventures. Speaking of adventures, we're just moseying on down the road here, try and find something cool, something exciting, you know. Not really a destination in mind, just going down the road, you know. There's a Legacy GT, real clean Legacy GT. I don't think the camera could see it. Okay, I just saw a sign. I'm reasonably sure it said slow grandparents at play. That's kind of funny. This is like opposite of what you usually say, children at play. I shall slow down, folks. Okay, so I learned last night that this is actually a public parking lot right here. I had no idea. It's just like a little spot of land. Hardly even a parking lot, but look at this. There's gravel. You can park here. Yeah, I actually did not know that, and some coworkers told me that this is public land last night. I thought maybe it belonged to the house right over off adjacent to it. Just a little spot where you can park and maybe go fishing, you know.